Ideal wire connectors are tested to be the best. See for yourself. They're engineered for durability, surviving up to 6 times more impact force. Every single time. They handle greater voltage to insulate up to 35% better. When testing for mechanical strength, they hold stronger, withstanding up to 57% more force. They resist corrosion up to 180 times longer for lasting dependability in any environment. They're designed with an expanding interior spring that grips wires for a secure connection, and a plastic outer shell that flexes without cracking to ensure reliability across the widest range of UL wire combinations. With results like this, why risk the integrity of your connections? Why risk your reputation? Why risk entire projects just to save a few extra bucks? Always make sure you choose Ideal electrical wire connectors. View our full lineup at idealind.com. Ideal Electrical, the electrician's champion.